Hello people of the internet, welcome back. This is Sierra, and if this is your first time to my channel, hi, my name is Sierra and I'm an American living in Japan. Every week I make a new video about my family's crazy life in Japan, lush, being vegan, and trying to live more sustainably. And in today's video, because you guys clicked on it, I assume you guys know what you're about to watch. We're going to be unboxing another one of my way too many lucky bags that I decided to purchase this year. Today's bag that we're going to be doing is my Kaldi Coffee Farm bag, which Kaldi Coffee Farm has had both a good and also terrible reputation in the lucky bag community. I did get this bag last year, but I guess a couple years ago the bags that they gave out were really terrible for some reason. I didn't really get into following all the drama, but I got this bag last year. I actually got the exact same price point and the exact same version this year as I got last year because I wanted to compare the two and see honestly if the coffee inside or whatever the contents are were any different. That bag that I got is the yellow 1750, something like that. It was like 1700 yen, which is about $17 bag. I got the whole bean bag again because I think that it stores a little bit better, but we'll see what's inside. It says it's guaranteed 3 bags inside, and it may or may not have other stuff. I have no idea, so let's open it. And you guys can tell that there hasn't been opened because this is still sealed, so I'm gonna find out with you guys. All right, let's open it. Okay, just first glance hand, there are 3 bags of coffee in here, so let's see what is inside. Okay, so first bag of coffee from the Kaldi coffee bag is the Kaldi New Year Blend 2020, which I thought that it was supposed to be discounted coffee, but I bet this is probably in the stores before and then this is what's left they put into the lucky bag, since now they probably have to mark it down anyway. I don't know, but it looks like this, and it has, I think, the same little character on it. I think he's a goat. Yeah, it's pretty cute and it's gold. And oh yeah, last year, I don't know if I mentioned this, but on the back of all the packaging it does tell you kind of a little summary of how strong the coffee is and like what the flavor profiles are. So if you can read Japanese, you can check that out. I did spend a little bit of time reading it last year, but right now I don't have my app in front of me, so it's gonna be really hard for me to read this, and I don't think you guys want to watch me try to read for like 30 minutes. So yeah, so that's that one, and I think it is about 400 grams or something like that. It's 200 grams, so there's 200 grams of this one. Okay, good. I'm pretty excited about that. Okay, next one is this one. It's green and it just says Brazil. Okay, so I'm gonna guess this is a Brazilian coffee blend based on the name, and that's all that it says on here is Brazil and the logo. In comparison, the flavor profiles of these two seem they're gonna be pretty much the same, but be interesting to try them. I'll probably have one and finish the bag and then try the next bag just because I don't want them to go to waste. And the last and final bag of coffee in here is called Cafe au lait blend. Interesting. So coffee with milk blend. Okay, and it looks like this. And again, this is probably one of the ones that they couldn't sell this year, and so they put it into the Fukubukuro bag, which is totally fine with me. I love coffee. And it looks like this one overall has stronger flavors and roasts than the other two, so that should be interesting. And let's smell it. It smells really good. I mean, it just smells like coffee. This is also 200 grams. So overall, I said I paid about $17 for this bag, a little less than that because of the exchange rate, but this is what came in my Kaldi coffee bag. And I would say that last year's coffee bag was a little bit better, just because I felt like they kind of had like limited edition coffees in there because they had, it was the New Year's and the Christmas one and then another special blend, but I'm still happy with these. So yeah, that's it. That's the entire unboxing. I don't really have anything else to say. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. So that way, I think I do have a handful of lucky bag unboxings I'm going to do. I just don't know what order they're going to be up in. So make sure you subscribe so you'll know about them. That's it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later.